So I have here a 2003 Dodge Neon. This is a basic model of the bare bones crank windows, no power locks, cassette player, etc. And I was having an issue where I would drive down the road, and as I'm going down the road, the fuel gauge would suddenly drop, and all the lights on the dash would come on, brake lights, stuff like that. And the radio would pop and it would just shut off. It was almost like the car completely lost electricity for a minute, but it would keep driving just fine. And I had this happen to me a few times. I wasn't sure what was going on. I was assuming something bad ground or a bad computer or something. And then today I got in and I went to crank the car and nothing happened. I mean, nothing. And I'm going to show you what I did about that. So I'm here at front of the car, and I found this car had some front end damage. I got it, only had 52,000 miles on it, but it had some front end damage. So I'm in the process, I'm going to fix that up. But as part of that, the car had a bad ground, and I found it here. It was hot to the touch when I was trying to crank the car. So I just took this bolt off and I cleaned the paint underneath of the bolt down to bare metal, cleaned the back side of the bolt to bare metal, and this down to bare metal, scraped it down. Put some dielectric grease here. This is from light bulb grease or spark plug grease or whatever, but dielectric grease helped it make a better connection. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to crank her up. So before it wouldn't even turn over, so now we're turning over again. And there we go. So if you've got an issue with the bad ground, something like this may be your problem.